Alright guys, it's TikTok with Nii-Odai, and then it's gonna be another version of an unboxing of the Google Home Mini. If you were already watching, we had done an earlier version of unboxing with the Google Home Big, which is what I refer to as the boss. And this time around, we're just gonna be going quickly into this one, reviewing the Mini and see how that one also goes. So stay tuned. So if you are already abreast with this amazing device, it comes in a very nice packaging, and then with a little rubber covering all around the body, which keeps it neatly all the time before you gotta take it out. So we just have to take it out right now, and we can see how it goes. So have it well packaged now. So after you get it done, you turn it a little upside down, and then you identify this portion where you're just gonna have to tear it out. Then after you tear this portion away, then you can lift it now, and then your Google Home Mini is opened. And as you can see, so we have our Google Home Mini inside over here. So this is the unboxing version. So let's quickly go inside and take it out. So this is how the phone goes like. With the Google Home Mini, it has a very beautiful fiber right on top of it, as you can see where the speaker area is. And then right beneath it, we have two texture material that has been used to carve this amazing device, as you can see. And then right at the back, it's a very nice back covering with a grip. This texture allows you to grip it on a table or wherever you're gonna place it, so that you can have a very good friction to it. All right, and right on top of this spot, somewhere around here, you can see the reset button. Just in case you want to reset it for another user, then you can go ahead and click over here just for like 5 seconds, and then it's all done again. So we'll go quickly into the box again and see what else we have in. We have a setting, and then we take it out, then we unveil the manual for this device, where you gotta take it out, also nicely well packaged and parceled in here. So we take it out, and then here we go. Let's go. As you can see, let's get started. Behind this, it's written put in, connect the charger. As you can read, connect the power adapter to your Google Home Mini. Get to know your Google Home Mini with all of that behind, and then run the manual itself, right? So guys, let's take out. And this is the power to our device. There's a power cable. As you can see, it's originally manufactured. The texture alone can tell you that this is not a fake material, right? This ain't a fake material, as you can see. So when you open it, you just have these two devices inside the box, including the manual, and then you're good to go. Alright, let's get started with this device and see how it goes. So it's all been plugged in now, and then we can see how this goes.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so which we're just gonna be doing in a short while. We'll just download the Google Home app, and then we'll go ahead with the setup. to configure this device. Okay, so you see the Google Home mini found. So connected. Before using the Google Assistant, here are a few to know before using, and then you can go on and on. So let's just click right on next and see, just to stop wasting time. Our device is really set up, and so there's just one little trick you need to know about this device, which is got to do with the manual setup of the volume up and down. If you want to turn down the volume, you could just tap on this side or this area of the device, just as if you want to increase the volume, also you tap on this side of the device. But all the same, you can still use your voice and manually set up this device also into your preferred level of volume up or down. So let's go ahead and ask you some pretty questions, just a few ones, and then we see how the setup performs or how it functions. But before we do that, I just want to give you a little brief history. This amazing device doesn't do only answering the questions or booking up your appointments or saving your alarm time and all that. It can also go further to control other smart gadgets in a home, like your smart TV, like your smart clock, your smart bulbs, and all that. If you do have all these devices at home, you can set them up on your Google Home app, and then you can get them integrated in your artificial intelligence device. Then you are good to go. Yeah. So just a little brief explanation. We just have to go ahead. Hey Google, what's the weather like outside?
In Kumasi, it's 93 and mostly cloudy. Today, there will be isolated thunderstorms with a forecast high of 93 and a low of 73.
Hey Google, What's the time now? Oh wow, and this is taking much long.
4:44.
Okay. Hey Google, sing me a song.
I'm a singing song. I'm your assistant and I'm singing. La 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 la.
Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Sure, here's one of my favorites. How do bovines do math? With a calculator.
Okay. Hey Google, what's 3 times 4?
3 times 4 is 12.
Hey Google, what's the color of Google?
On the website Quora.com, they say, so, it looks like they started with the primary colors blue, red, yellow, and then added green to be a bit different. Do you want a little more context?
Yes.
On the website Quora.com, they say, we ended up with the primary colors, but instead of having the pattern go in order, we put a secondary color on the L, which brought back the idea that Google doesn't follow the rules. So, it looks like they started with the primary colors and then added green to be a bit different.
Right. Hey Google, what does a shiny day looks like?
I heard, what does a sunny day looks like? Sorry, I can't show you pictures. I don't have a screen.
Hey Google, are you male or female?
I'm all inclusive.
Hey Google, who is the best smart assistant? You or Siri?
Every time you look into a mirror, you see the answer.
That's great. Okay. So, guys, you could just go ahead and ask it all the questions that you desire, and that's it. Hey Google, tell me a brief history about Ghana.
Here's a summary from the website sahistory.org.za. The Gold Coast was the first British colony in Africa to become independent. After independence, its name changed to Ghana, and the first president was Kwame Nkrumah. Ghana is in West Africa, in the Gulf of Guinea. For a broad overview of a brief history of Ghana.
Hey Google, tell me the alma mater of the current president of Ghana.
Nana Akufo-Addo's education included University of Ghana, University of Oxford, City, University of London, and other places.
I see. Hey Google, tell me a brief history about Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
Here's a summary from the website en.wikipedia.org. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo was born in Accra, Ghana, to a prominent Ghanaian royal and political family as the son of Edward and Adeline Akufo-Addo. He returned to Ghana in 1962 to teach at the Accra Academy, before going to read economics at the University of Ghana, Legon, in 1964, earning a BSc degree in 1967.
Okay. Hey Google, give me the list of all the presidents in Ghana.
I found 3 on Wikipedia: Jerry Rawlings, John Kufuor, and John Mahama.
Oh, I see. Okay, so guys, this is pretty. Hey Google, maybe the last one. Tell me a point.
Sorry, this service isn't available in your country.
Okay, so we just have to end the review over here. If you like this video, kindly leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.